Hi guys, this is Fredizo. Today is the 28th of January 2021. I'll share a strategy which we can use to catch spikes. I've entitled this strategy as Fredizo Spike Trap. With this strategy, you'll never miss any spike as long as that spike is your targeted spike. You'll never miss it. Please guys, let's continue promoting our YouTube channel so that you encourage us to upload even more and more profitable strategies. We also have a Telegram channel where we send our daily free signals for boom and crash. And if you really want to join that Telegram channel and benefit from the free signals which we send daily, please kindly click on the description in the link below. Instead of wasting much of your time, let us go into the business for today. First and foremost, we'll start by the settings. These are the settings which we'll be using for this strategy. In the main chart, we have the moving average. You can take a screenshot. In the indicator window 1, we've got relative strength index, relative strength index 2, relative strength index 3, then we have moving average 1 and moving average 2. These are the only indicators in the window indicator 1. So for the relative strength index 1, these are the settings. Relative strength index 2, these are the settings. I've got relative strength index 3. These are the settings. And this relative strength index 3, it has got levels, and these are the levels. You can also take a screenshot. Then we have the moving average 1. This is the setting. And we have the last moving average, which is this one. And there, that's the setting for the same. Once you complete setting up your trading platform, it will look like this. You have something which looks like this. Straight into our business. Like I said, this is a Fredizo spike trap strategy. It's a trap which you have set for each and every spike. So here guys, how it works, let's backtest it a bit. You need to wait for these guys, you need to wait for these colors to hit these red lines. These red lines are our spike zone area. Even here down, these red lines are our spike zone areas. These red lines. So for now, guys, we're trading on crash, whether it's crash 500 or crash 1000. The conditions, they are one and the same. So for crash, we know that if it's an uptrend, we are buying crash, and if it's a downtrend, what are we supposed to do? We are catching the spikes. So our major concern is not to buy crash, but rather to catch the spikes. So you need to wait here, guys. You need to wait for these lines to reach the 91 level. Once all these lines they reach the 91 level, you press a sell. Once you press a sell, automatically, once these lines they reach these levels where it says spike zone, be alert, these levels, a spike will occur. The moment these lines they touched the 91 level, a spike occurred. Another spike, another spike. It was a series of spikes. You have seen spikes were just occurring, spikes all over, all over, all over. All over, spikes, 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 guys. Spikes, spikes all over, guys. So we're here. Yes, our spikes, spikes, spikes were just spiking. The logic here is that you let it touch the 91 level, and spikes will just be flowing in that order. So if you've got a small account, I encourage you, once you catch a good number of spikes, you can exit. You wait for another entry point whereby you can be able to re-enter into the market again. Then you'll be able to catch spikes until it reaches down here. Until it reaches down here. Until it reaches down here. Here the trend has changed. Now it's time for you to start buying crash. But in this case, we won't be buying any crash. It's just to catch the spikes. That's our major interest with this strategy. is to catch spikes. That's about the crash. Let's check boom. Before we check boom, let's check crash 1000. You see what's happening. This is what is happening under crash 1000. Here you have seen, like I was explaining earlier on. Here the moving averages and the relative strength index touched the 91 level and it spiked. Boom, it spiked to reach somewhere here. And here the market changed to an uptrend. So no wonder there we're still like buying. So this is what is happening under crash 1000. How I wish there was that opportunity. I was going to press a live trade for you guys so that you see what really happens. But if we so happen to find one, I'll be able to place that trade whilst we are still sharing the strategy. Let's check out how boom is doing. We'll start with boom 500. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. On boom 500, you have seen what is happening. Look here. Look here what is happening. This is boom. So for boom, it means the spike zone is here on these red lines. So they've touched the first level, which is the 8 level. If you place your trade here, after a few candles, I've seen already it has spiked. That's what I'm talking about. It has spiked already. As I was still explaining to you, it has spiked already. This is what I'm talking about. It has spiked already there. This is how powerful this strategy is. So I didn't even press the entry. I was going to catch this spike, but nevertheless, at least it has happened. Whereas I was still like explaining to you what really transpires. So if you've got a small account, after that spike, you can catch and exit the market. But if your account is big, you can still like hold a bit, because it will spike from this level until it touches this other level. That's where the market is supposed to go. So if you've got a small account, once you catch that spike, you can exit. You wait for a better entry, you re-enter. But if your account is big, you can still hold. Then you just the moment it spikes, you gain. It spikes, you gain until it reaches this level. This is how powerful this strategy is, guys. This is how powerful this strategy is, guys. So let's milk the market together, and don't forget to comment for more clarity, for appreciation, or where you're not sure, you can easily comment in the comment box below. Please like the video as well. Don't forget to share, invite more friends so that we reach a good number. That way you continue encouraging us to do even more and more. Thank you for your time. And it has been your Boom and Crash coach, Fredizo. I'm signing off. Bye.